Good day guys, it's siesta time. This is my new inverter so far, grid tied with limiter. It's a 3000 volt G3 model. I'm going to unbox and see what inside. The brackets, the sensor. They said this is a 5-meter long sensor going to the main breaker before the main load of the house. So the fittings and MC4 and AC fit. This one I don't know what is this. Oh, it's a Wi-Fi. Stick lagger Wi-Fi. It's big, cute. They have a sensor, Wi-Fi. I can monitor this even I'm not at home or even in. So the last thing is the unit itself. Look, it's a so far so good. Small LCD. So I'm going to take it out, so I'll be back